Hey you, welcome back. Welcome to Beauty Over 40. You know what time it is. It is collaboration time with my girls of Beauty Over 40, and we're now getting to the Pantone color of the year, which is Very Peri. So we're all creating looks based around this color of the year again, which is Very Peri. Make sure you check out all the girls, check out their looks, make sure you let them know that I sent you over. And if you'd like to see how I created this look, stay tuned.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds, somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
Again, we're going to be using Silent Killer and Warrior 3 palette by Juvia's Place. All right, let's take off our lashes. All right, so for eyeshadow primer, I'm going to be using the eyeshadow base by Vibez. All right, so the color of the year by Pantone is Very Peri. I would think that Peri means periwinkle. Here is a little video, Pantone color of the year 2022. I'm going to read just a little insert by the Pantone Color Institute, and I'll do that as I as I do my makeup here. I'm going to try to mute out what I had on earlier. I had a couple interviews earlier, so I'm going to go ahead and just put, actually I'm going to mix it. I'm going to use this one. This one's more skin tone, and then this one is white. Take a little bit of that white just to brighten this skin tone color a bit. I'm just going to take those two and mix them together and just kind of mute out what I had there already. All right, it says, as we move into a world of unprecedented change, the selection of Pantone, and then it gives the color number 17-3938. Very Peri brings a novel perspective and vision of the trusted and beloved blue color family. Okay, so I'm just gonna press that in. That primer is more on the wet side, so you just want to press that in. And of course, we always have to get a skin tone color in there first, just for some dimension. Depends on the look, depends on the look you're going for. It just gives you a really nice clean look. In my opinion, without doing that, it is a little kind of choppy, so I always like to, and again, depends on the look I'm doing, but most of the time I do lay down a skin color, a transition color, as some would say. So I'm going to do that first. I'm going to go into Silent Killer, and we're going to go in with this color right here, and we're just going to lay that in the crease. Actually, I'm going to look for a smaller brush. All right, we're just going to go here in our crease, bring that around just a little bit. It is showing up a little bit more red than what I would like, so I'm probably gonna dip into another color that's a little bit more skin tone like. Dig into our Marc Wile, one of my favorites. Ooh, you can see I'm hit pan. I love a good transition color. Dig into that, get what we can. Okay, I toned it down a little bit. All right, so All right, next we're gonna go into this color here, right in the middle there. And we're just gonna put that directly in the crease. Okay, we're just loading that color up. You can see we're getting a good transition there. That inner corner a little bit better. I think I want to darken that up even more. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side here. Opposing the qualities of the blues, yet at the same time with this violet red undertone. Pantone 17-3938. Veri Peri displays a sprightly, joyous attitude and dynamic presence that encourages courageous creativity and imaginative expressions. Wow. Okay, Veri Peri. So we're gonna see if you encourage me with creativity and imaginative expressions. So let's see what we come up with. All right, just blending that out. Okay, and again, I think I want to deepen this up. So let's see if we can find a blue, since it does mention blues in this little script here. Let me see. I'm thinking of kind of like a navy, but not too dark. So again, I'm gonna go into my Marc Wile, and then I'm gonna use this blue here, and we're just gonna darken up the crease. I don't think I want to do a cut crease, but we shall see. Ooh. All right, so I'm gonna try to see if I can get by without doing a cut crease. Like, I kind of want to do a cut crease, but I don't want it to be so I guess you can say sharp, but the illusion of a cut crease. So basically a bootleg cut crease. I shouldn't say that, but you guys know what I mean. All right, and then we're just going to go into that periwinkle little color. I'm going to start off with this one. This one is coming off a little bit more bluish on camera, but it is a periwinkle color. We do have a couple options there. And ooh, oh my gosh. This is a pretty, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. So I'm just pressing that in. And again, when you press and pack on the color, you get more of a color payoff and pigmentation, as where if you swipe, as you can see there, I swiped that, and this one I packed on. You see the difference? So consider that when you're creating a look. If you want it like really opaque, you want to make sure you press that color in. Woo! Let's do some of that here at the under our lash line. Let's see what that looks like, as well as the other color on my lid, just because I didn't put a primer there. Going back into that Marc Wile color, and I'm gonna drag that right up underneath just to soften that a little bit. All right, so we're going in with a little mascara. And actually, I just got an idea. Pantone, but that purple that I use on my lid. And I'm gonna try to color my lashes. There we go. Just the outer ones. All right, let's put on our lashes, finish up our lippy and our hair, and I'll be back. All right, so this is my look. Really kind of quick and simple, although the colors are a little bit vibrant. It was a simple technique to do, just 3 colors using my Marc Wile palette, Silent Killer palette, and then also the Warrior 3 palette. So that is my look. That is my look. As always, thank you for hanging out with me today. Make sure you check out all the other girls. Check out their videos and their looks. Make sure you tell them that I sent you over. Give them a few. Send over some very Peri hearts. Let them know that I sent you over. And as always, I thank you guys for your support, your continued support. I am currently, for those that don't know, I bought myself an office she shed. I'm so excited to have my own little space where I can film and make my videos, which is why I haven't been pushing out that many videos, just because I've been really busy getting that all together. But I am filming that whole process to share with you guys, so I hope you guys stay tuned for that. So if you're not following me, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at LRH Makeup, and also _beauty over40 on TikTok. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.